morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The last session saw the euro rise 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold fell 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.9% during the session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Nasdaq is acquiring financial risk software company Adenza for $10.5 billion in its largest ever such deal, as the world's big exchange operators expand beyond their core units into more stable revenue streams, such as data and risk management. The Australian and New Zealand dollars edged cautiously higher after the US dollar and short-term Treasury yields dipped ahead of inflation data that could make or break the case for a Federal Reserve rate pause this week. Global shares rose, taking their lead from an upbeat session on Wall Street ahead of key US inflation data that could shape the outlook for the Federal Reserve monetary policy.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst's review of today's most interesting economic events.
Germany's 10Y bond auction will be released at 09:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's imports at 2350 GMT. Japan's exports will be released at 2350 GMT. The US Fed interest rate decision at 1800 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.